to the 2024 season of American Dream TV's Selling Knoxville. I'm your host, Julia Hurley, and today's episode is gonna blow your mind. Meet Matthew Cummings, owner and creator of Pretentious Beer and Glass, one of the most vital stops and things you can only get in Knoxville, Tennessee. Matthew, tell us about the dream and vision and the work in creating this.
Well, one of the things is that's kind of been the guiding thought for the last 7 or 8 years is to make a place where it's the only place in the world you can come in, you can drink beer made in house, out of glasses made in house, and watch everything being produced. So you can hang out, have a beer from next door, which the tap room is the brewery, like you're literally stepping inside the brew house. And then you can bring that beer next door and watch us make the glassware that you're drinking out of.
Nice. So when did you land in Knoxville? What brought it here?
I moved to Knoxville in 2014 from Louisville. So I started Pretentious in Louisville in 2012. Yeah, 2012. It's been a long time. And quickly moved to Knoxville because I was looking for a few things. I wanted a good-sized city in the South. I wanted a place that at the time didn't have a ton of breweries. That's changed a lot now, but at the time we didn't have many. And then also didn't have a glassware scene or hub because like in Louisville, there was 4 glass studios downtown. Asheville, there's a couple, lots of breweries there. So it was kind of a perfect spot to be where we wanted to live, being so close to the Smoky Mountains and this beautiful city. And I kind of fell in love with the old city. Like the vibes are so nice. Like it's such a cute, like stinking adorable part of town. It's got so much history,
So what you're saying is, come on down to Pretentious Beer and Glass. You'll show them how to make some glass. You'll cheers them with a beer from your own brewery, just like we're about to do today.
Yes.
Right?
All right, enough talking. Let's head over to the brewery real quick.
I'm so thirsty. So you created all of these then as well?
Yeah. Pretty much everything you see in this space we built by hand.
Tell me about this one.
Yeah, so that's based off the old logo, which was like a mustache dude with a monocle and a top hat. Like our new logo, the raccoon still has like the top hat and kind of a throwback to that.
Clever.
Yeah,
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot of things that you offer here. People can come and make their own glasses, choose their own colors, different kinds of textures, and then come over here and bring it and have a beer with you. Tell us a little bit about the fun things that other people may not know that you offer.
Yeah, we have like flights so you can try a bunch of beers. We've got events where you can come in on a date, grab a couple beers, go over, blow some glass, or watch some glass blowing and be entertained. So a lot of fun stuff to do. We don't have any TVs, so it's like you get to hang out, enjoy each other's company, and have a good night.
Well, I think we're gonna start that good night early today. Which glass should we use?
Depends on what kind of beer you want.
I want to try the original logo.
That is the peach. That's the peach rings.
Sounds amazing. I'll try it.
You want to try the peach rings?
Let's do it.
All right. How big of a glass do you want?
Let's go small, my friend.
Let's go small. Okay. All right. So yeah, so the beer is constantly changing. It switches over 2 or 3 new beers a week. And so you pretty much get a full refresh of the draft list about once a month. So if you come in, there's all sorts of new things that you get to try. And they're all experimental, kind of like this.
So this is an experiment. Peach, please.
Peach-O Gummy Ring Sour.
All right. I love the glass. It's so cold. It smells so good.
It's like straight up peach rings.
It smells so good. Oh, that,
It's like you're chewing on gummy rings.
That is delicious. As a lifelong resident of Knoxville, you rarely experience something so unique in one place. Matthew, thank you for the special access. We really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thanks for coming. I hope you guys come back, and I hope you all come visit us in Knoxville. Give us a chance to blow your mind.
Until next time.